A long time ago, the Khan of Taraz, Kara Khan, went to Samarkand. He saw Aisha Bibi, the beautiful daughter of Hakim Ata, and they fell in love. Kara Khan went to Aisha's father to ask to marry his daughter, but he refused. Before he left, Aisha Bibi and Kara Khan made a secret promise to each other. Aisha Bibi had no news from Kara Khan. She decided to travel to Taraz to find him. She set off with her old nanny, Baba Khatun, but Hakim Ata shouted a curse after her. "You will cross 6 rivers, but you will not cross the 7th. The two women rode for weeks until they saw the city of Taraz in the distance. Before they crossed the 7th river, they stopped so Aisha could bathe. A poisonous snake leapt up and bit her. Aisha Bibi begged her nanny to ride ahead and bring Kara Khan to her. When he arrived, Aisha Bibi died in his arms. He ordered that a beautiful mausoleum would be built in that exact place. Her nanny guarded the mausoleum until she died. Kara Khan later founded the great Karakhanid Empire and became a powerful and wise Khan. He never married, and when he died, he asked to be buried somewhere facing the mausoleum of Aisha Bibi.